Here it is. Oh man, this is so close. Fuck. Where are my slippers? Shit, I broke my slippers. No. Look at this. This is what happens. The KLM flight destroyed my slippers.
You are watching Zubair's World.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to Zubair's World, and today there is a new episode of the best beaches of St. Maarten. And today I am going to show you the most famous beach of St. Maarten. If you Google St. Maarten beach, the first top pictures you will see is the beach that we're going to right now. This is the beach where you can see the airplanes land so close that it feels like the airplane is going to land in the water or that it's going to hit you. And because this is the first airplane today that is going to land after the corona crisis, after the lockdown, this is the first airplane that is coming to St. Maarten for a long while now. This is the KLM flight from Amsterdam to St. Maarten, and this airplane is going to arrive in, I think, like 20 or 30 minutes. I'm almost there, but the problem is parking spaces, because Maho beach has, I think, like 4 parking spaces or something. So I don't know if these 4 are already taken. I think they are taken because I'm not the only one who is going to wait for the airplane that's going to land. I think there are a lot of people on this island who are waiting for this moment, because after a few months, this is the first airplane that is going to land again. This is a tourist attraction. This is something that all the tourists want to see, want to experience. The only thing is there are no tourists on this island. So, but I think there are also local people that want to see the airplane that is coming here. So let's see if we have some parking spaces. And as you already see, all the parking spaces are taken, unfortunately. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars that can park over here. That's a shame, because this is the beach where the airplane is going to land. We have to see where I'm going to park my car right now. Okay, I still have 20 minutes to figure out where I can park my car. Okay, I saw a parking lot which you have to pay $5 to park there for a whole day. That's an okay price, but I'm from the Netherlands, so I'm going to drive around until I find a free parking space, even if I'm going to consume more gasoline than the $5 that I have to pay for the parking space. We say we go Dutch, right? This is the beach where the airplane is going to arrive. I'm just thinking about what I have to do. Should I walk all the way up there so you can guys see the airplane and the water, to see how close it flies or lands above the water? Or should I stand with my feet in the water and show you guys the airplane above me? I think the second one sounds better. So I think I'm going to walk in the water until my middle or something, and then I'm going, whoa, I don't want to get wet right now, and then I'm gonna look above me while the airplane is landing. This is the most famous beach where an airplane lands. This is also the closest airplane encounter which you will ever experience. So in about 18 minutes, you see, this is the airplane and this is where I am. So in about 18 minutes, the airplane is going to arrive. See ya. Airplane is coming. Let's leave my slippers over here. Let's go. Oh yeah. Nobody's in the water, only me. Look how beautiful this place is. See all the Dutch people waiting for the airplane to land. Oh man, this water is amazing. You can see the airplane over there. There it is. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, I'm so excited, man. Let's see if we can feel the jet blast in the water. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right in front of me. It's right in front of me. KLM flight 789 from Amsterdam to St. Maarten, landing in a few seconds. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes. Oh no! Come on, come on! Ah. Here it is! Oh man, this is so close! Woohoo! Oh my god! That's fucking beautiful, man! It felt so close, like I could touch it. If I had a rock in my hands, I could throw a rock and take the airplane down, man. Oh, beautiful. So this was the first passenger airplane after the Corona crisis. Oh man, let's wait until the same airplane is going back home. It will take 1 hour, so we're gonna get a drink and then we'll see the airplane going back to the Netherlands. As you saw, the airplane arrived safely with no passengers. I heard there are no passengers on the airplane from Amsterdam to St. Maarten. And now we're going to the beach bar waiting for the takeoff of the airplane. As you can see, the KL flight is right over there. There's another smaller airplane that is going to take off. And we are going to the beach bar, have a drink and wait until the KLM flight is going back to Amsterdam through Curaçao first. So this is the beach bar. And there is a small airplane. Hey! Let's do the wave. Woohoo! There it goes, guys. We will feel a crazy jet blast right now. Those cars that are passing by are crazy. This car is also crazy. If a car is passing by while the airplane is going to accelerate, there is a chance that the cars are blown away. Here it goes. Whoa! Oh shit! Oh man, the sand, man. Oh shit, look at the sand. Oh man, where are my slippers? Shit, I broke my slippers. No. Look at this. This is what happens. The KLM flight destroyed my slippers. The KLM flight is responsible for this. Look at this. Wow, the blast was insane, man. Oh no. Oh, the blast was... Oh. Come on. I think I can repair this. I can repair this. I will never throw my slippers away. These slippers have been to many countries. Oh man, the jet blast at Maho beach was insane. It even ripped off my slippers, but I fixed it, as you can see. Waha. The only problem now is I have a lot of sand on my head and it won't come off. So I need to take a dive. I'm here on the French side right now at Red Bay, Bay Rouge. You already saw this beach on the previous video. If you haven't seen the video yet, please click on the link up here. But what we're gonna do now is just clean up myself, take a dive in the water, take all the sand off my head, and then I'm going back to visit some other places. Let's go. And because I'm traveling all by myself, I have to put all my personal stuff just in front of the place where I'm going to dive. Otherwise I will lose everything. All my belongings are here. Let's take a free dive. The water is good. Now I have to take off all the sand on the back of my hair. Let's wash it off. Ah.